graduation and moving up ceremonies mark a new milestone in the life of our learners. It is also a time to celebrate the accomplishments both by our children and their parents. Despite of COVID-19 pandemic, we were able to overcome so many challenges that hindered the normal delivery of education. Today's celebration serves as a reward to your sacrifices, hard work, and dedication. Now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 32nd graduation rites and first ever virtual graduation of Mabuhay Elementary School with the theme, Kalidad ng Edukasyon, lalong patatagin sa gitna ng pandemya. To start the program, let's have first the singing of Philippine National Anthem to be followed by the opening prayer, Bicol March, and SDO hymn.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisigil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bugaw, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw na kailan pa may di magdidiling. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mag-aapi, ang namatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Ama naming sumasalangit, Panginoong maylalang sa langit at lupa, aming ipinagbubunyi ang iyong kadakilaan.
Kami ay nagpapasalamat sa panibagong araw na ipinagkaloob mo sa amin. Maraming salamat sa iyong walang humpay na pagmamahal.
Ikinalulugod namin ang iyong pag-akay sa amin bilang isang bansa sa krisis na aming nararanasan.
Kami ay lumalapit sa iyong kadakilaan. Itinataas namin sa iyong pangalan ang mga namumuno sa aming kagawaran.
Pagkaloob mo sa kanila ang katatagan para sa mga desisyong nakaatang sa kanilang mga balikat.
Gabayan mo ang kanilang mga hakbang sa pagsulong ng edukasyon sa bansa.
Hinihiling namin na iyong ipadama ang pagdamay, pagkalinga at proteksyon sa aming mga guro, mag-aaral at mga magulang anuman ang kanilang pinagdadaanan.
Patnubayan mo ang lahat ng mga guro sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang paglilingkod sa bayan at bigyan ng proteksyon sa lahat ng panahon upang ang kanilang mga tungkulin ay magampanan.
At sa pagbubukas ng taong panuruan 2020 hanggang 2021, ipinagkakatiwala naming sa iyong mga kamay ang walang hanggang paggabay sa aming pagtahak tungo sa maliwanag na bukas.
Naniniwala kami na aming malalampasan ang lahat ng pagsubok sa pamamagitan ng iyong kapangyarihan. Ito ang aming samo at dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus na iyong pinakamamahal na anak at aming tagapagligtas. Amen.
Dear beloved Bicolanda, home of the Virgin of Peña Francia, renowned for Philina City from dawn to dusk, we're singing our praise to thee. Where the flames, sparkling rivers and seas, hills and mountains breeze adore. From the shores across the seas, all nature's here to thee abound. Bicolanda, Bicolanda, our native land behold. Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, Siliso, Irigan, Nagalikaw, Legazpi, Tabaco, Sorsogon, and Masbate, Abon of noble heroes, land of the free. Oh, Montmayor is watching over thee. Bicolanda, Bicolanda, the home of the Oragons. Fearless warriors, bold yet flame, to truth and dignity we give him. Bicolanda, Bicolanda, the home of the Oragons. Fearless warriors, bold yet flame, the truth and dignity we give him. The truth and dignity we give him. We give him. In the midst of a changing world, they're standing tall, adept at dealing with whatever life affords. With the skills, their wit and wisdom all aglow, they'll find their dreams wherever they behold. Guided by the Almighty, they dwell in harmony with their coast, their land, and all its nature's grace. Hail to every must, but then you learn the sense. In power they will make our country stand. To make you feel there's so much fun and joy in learning. To keep them safe, their every need and right protected. To nurture them and let their passions glow and burning. To light their path and lead them to a righteous life. This is the dream of the division of Masbate, a lifelong quality education for her children. Hand in hand with the leaders, teachers, and the whole community, every noble dream of Masbateños will come true. This is the dream of the division of Masbate, a lifelong quality education for her children. Hand in hand with the leaders, teachers, and the whole community, every noble dream of Masbateños will come true. Come true.
Next is the welcome remarks of Carlin May D. Loon, grade 6 pupil with honors.
Our very active and excellent schools division superintendent, Madam Nene R. Marioles, CSU 5, to our outstanding and efficient public school district supervisor, Dr. Ramil D. Gutierrez, to our barangay officials headed by our generous and supportive barangay captain, Honorable Ardito L. Loon, to our PTA officers headed by Mrs. Emily V. Maldo, to our SGC officers headed by Mr. Eduardo G. Bolon, to our effective and hardworking teachers, headed by the very energetic, handsome, and competent school head, Sir Dennis B. Ablao, to our loving parents, classmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, let me all welcome you to our 32nd graduation rites and the first ever virtual closing program of Mabuhay Elementary School. Graduation is the most significant event in a learner's life. It brings us a mixture of joy and excitement. Joy because we finally completed the 7 years and first stage of education here in elementary. And excitement as we enter another journey of education, the high school life. I would like to thank to our dear teachers for the knowledge they have given to us and all those lessons they have shared with us. Despite this new normal education, all of us witness all your hard work and efforts just to provide quality education amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you, dear parents, for guiding and working hard to give us a good education. And the most of all, thank you, God, for all your blessings. On behalf of the graduating class, it is my pleasure to welcome you to witness their graduation ceremony. Thank you very much.
Let's have Sir Dennis B. Ablao, our school head, to present the candidates for graduation for the school year 2020-2021.
The Schools Division Superintendent, Nene R. Marioles, CISO 5. I have the honor to present 16 candidates for graduation this school year 2020-2021. 6 of them are boys and 10 are girls. I certify that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 curriculum of the Bureau of Elementary Education of the Department of Education. I therefore recommend that their graduation be confirmed.
To present the candidates for completion, again, let's have Sir Dennis B. Ablao.
Schools Division Superintendent, Nene R. Marioles, CISO 5. I have the honor to present 24 kindergarten candidates for completion this school year 2020-2021. 12 of them are boys and 12 are girls. I certify that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the kindergarten curriculum of the Bureau of Elementary Education of the Department of Education. I therefore recommend that their completion be confirmed.
To confirm the candidates for graduation and completion, and to give her message, let's have our brilliant and dynamic Schools Division Superintendent, Madam Nene Rosal Marioles, CESO 5.
By virtue of the power vested in me by the Secretary of Education, and upon the recommendation of your school principal, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, I hereby confirm you graduates for school year 2020-2021. Congratulations! My congratulations to all the graduates of school year 2020-2021, and my heartfelt greetings and unending gratitude to the teachers, school heads, and to all SDO Masbate Province personnel, parents, LGU officials, and to all who have extended their support and responded to the challenge of education in the new normal. Looking back to the year 2020, the historic declaration of President Rodrigo Duterte of the enhanced community quarantine in the entire Luzon on March 16 had caused us so much fear and doubts. The abrupt change brought by the pandemic made us all dumbfounded. Many had lost their job as companies and businesses went bankrupt. Many lives were claimed by COVID-19. Because of this, the hope of the resilient Filipinos had flickered. The Department of Education was greatly affected by the sudden change that confronted the education sector. For the first time, no graduation ceremonies were held for the school year 2019-2020. The opening of classes for the succeeding school year was changed from June to August and then moved to October 5. Many had their doubts on the school's readiness and the teachers' preparation in the implementation of the new learning modalities. The parents and learners became hesitant. There was also a significant decrease of enrollment for the school year due to the effect of the pandemic, which made living harder for some of our learners. We had been worried and sad, thinking how we could cope with the changes in the educational system. Yet, this has never stopped our department from doing its best to deliver quality education to Filipino learners amidst the pandemic. And this day marks our victory over the challenges brought by COVID-19 as we reap the fruit of our sacrifices and perseverance. Finally, the names will be given faces as we will be able to uncover the smile and the hope we have longed to see on the face of every learner as he or she receives his or her certificate or diploma. I am very much grateful to the parents for fulfilling their duties and responsibilities for their children. You are the heroes during this pandemic. Your diligence in claiming and returning the self-learning modules is a manifestation that you really value your children's education and earnestly lead them to a brighter future. There might have been many hindrances, but you have helped us do our duties for your children. Most of all, you give them assurance that you are always there to guide and teach them and make them feel more inspired and motivated to learn, even they are at home. My salute for your sacrifices. My praises and salute also to our beloved teachers, school heads, and to all STO Masbate personnel. Education in the new normal might not have been easy as we're not fully prepared for this, but your dedication to perform your duties and most especially your love and care for your learners have made us successful in hurdling this historic school year. The implementation of the new learning delivery modalities might not have been easy, but we have truly done our best. Education is not just a responsibility of the students, teachers, and parents, but of the whole community that is always ready to support and guide a child who wants to study and achieve his or her dream. Over the years, our country's education sector has met so many problems, yet we have proven that through our unity in providing the best education and the brighter future for Masbateño learners is within our reach, whatever threat COVID-19 will bring us. Remember, education will be your sharpest weapon against whatever challenges that you will face. Your graduation today, your little success, is an indication that you will have more battles to win in the future. I have high hopes for your success. Once again, congratulations, my dear graduates. Thank you, and God bless.
And now, the most awaited part of this program, May I call in Miss Charity Ramos, Grade 6 Advisor, to present the Class of 2020-2021 graduates.
Ladies and gentlemen, proud parents, friends, here are the 2020-2021 graduates of Mabuhay Elementary School. Baro Jello J. Belmonte J. Miguel A. Espinas Rainier S. Montero Rimwell B. Oliva Jaya I. Sulit Angelo G. Abejero Cindy S. Alada Regine B. Aranyo Samantha Niña A. Bulon Judy Ann R. Cortez Jessamay L. with honors. Ibanez Shane Ann A. with honors. Loon Carlin May D. with honors. Rijoso Riza May L. Tugbo Jonalyn A. with honors.
And to present the kindergarten completers, let's have Miss Christy A. De La Cruz, Kindergarten Advisor.
Here are the 2020-2021 kindergarten completers. Aklan Justin Ray S. Bigino Charles Andre E. Bulon Jomar R. Corimao Mark Raven I. Duante Jairus L. Esparagera Manuel S. Garinga Jero Kim H. Mariano Herbert M. Montero Junli B. Montero Sander O. Nava Joey J. V. Oliva Prince Mail I. Abayon Michelle A. Abihero Angelica A. Apundar Jinky M. Bolon Elizabeth G. Espinas Mika S. Gaspar Juliana B. Guarin Jessica May B. Loon Mariel A. Montero Nicole B. Olaje Analiza P. Rosales Arlina M. Zarzuelo Princess Jana A.
To share her words of gratitude, let's welcome Shane Ann A. Ibanez, Grade 6 graduate with honors.
Ako po ay lubos na natutuwa at ako ay nagkaroon ng oportunidad upang magsalita sa inyong harapan. Hindi po lingid sa ating kaalaman na ang pag-aaral ay mahirap, lalo na sa panahon ngayon na kung saan tayo'y may kinakaharap na pandemya. Dahil dito, marami ang pagbabago sa sistema ng edukasyon at naging malaking pagsubok ito sa amin bilang mag-aaral. Ngunit dahil sa mga masisipag naming mga guro, naitawid namin ang ganitong sitwasyon. At ngayon, kami ay magsisipagtapos na. Marami akong natutunan sa 7 taon kong pag-aaral sa elementarya. Lubos akong nagpapasalamat sa aking mga naging guro sa lahat ng mga naituro nila sa amin. At sa mga walang sawang paggabay sa amin sa tamang daan, andyan din ang aking mga kaklase at na tumutulong sa akin upang mahubog ang aking personalidad. Sa pagtungtong ko ng high school, tiyak na hindi ako mahirapang makisama sa aking mga bagong makikilala. Naway, magtagumpay tayong lahat sa anumang landas ng ating tatahakin. Sa aming mga magulang at pamilya na laging nariyan, maraming salamat po. Kayo ang siyang gumagabay sa amin sa tamang landas. Sa aking magulang at pamilya, nais kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo, suporta at pagmamahal na ibinigay niyo sa akin. Ang mabigyan ng pagkakataon upang mag-aral ay isa sa mga pinakakanais ng bawat Pilipino. Alam kong responsibilidad ng isang magulang ang makapag-aral ang kanyang mga anak. Ngunit naniniwala akong ito ay mas higit pa sa responsibilidad. Ito ay pagmamahal nila sa atin. Pagmamahal na higit pa sa ating inaasahan. Kaya sa mga mag-aaral na katulad ko, huwag po nating ipasawalang bahala ang pag-aaral na ibinigay ng ating mga magulang. At higit sa lahat, maraming salamat sa Poong May Kapal sa lahat ng biyayang ibinigay niya sa akin. Sa ating pagtatapos na ito, isang pinto naman ang magbubukas para sa ating lahat. Ito ay ang Buhay High School. Naway baunin natin ang lahat ng ating mga natutunan dito sa elementarya at magsumikap sa hamon na ating haharapin sa susunod na yugto ng ating buhay. Muli, maraming salamat at maligayang pagtatapos sa ating lahat.
And to lead the Pledge of Loyalty, let's have Jessamine L. Cortez, grade 6 graduate with honors. Let's watch the graduation song as performed by the graduates of Class 2020-2021. And last but not the least, to give the state of school address and closing remarks, let us all have again our energetic, handsome, and very competent school head, Mr. Dennis B. Ablao.
Sa ating pinagpipitagan na pansangay na tagapamanihala ng mga paaralan, Ma'am Nini Rosal Merioles, CESU 5, Tagamasid Pampurok, Dr. Ramil D. Gutierrez, mga opisyal ng barangay sa pamumuno ng ating masipag na barangay captain, Honorable Arlito L. Loon, mga opisyal ng PTA sa pangunguna ni Ginang Emily V. Maldo, mga opisyal ng SGC na pinamumunuan ni Ginoong Eduardo G. Bulon, sa mga masisipag na teaching staff ng Mabuhay Elementary School, mga magulang, mga magsisipagtapos, mga mag-aaral, at sa lahat ng nanonood ng virtual closing program na ito, isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay pinagdiriwang natin ang ika-32 closing exercises ng ating mahal na paaralan, ang Mabuhay Elementary School. Ngayong taon, pinatunayan nating lahat na hindi kayang hadlangan ng pandemya ang ating tungkulin sa ating mga bata na mabigyan ng magandang edukasyon. Bagamat walang naganap na face-to-face classes ngayong taon, nagawa natin ng paraan na mairaos ang isang taon ng pag-aaral sa pamamagitan ng mga self-learning modules na kahit papaano ay nakatulong para madagdagan ang kaalaman ng ating mga mag-aaral. Pinapaabot namin ang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa mga magulang na walang kapaguran sa pagpabalik-balik sa paaralan upang kumuha at magsauli ng mga modules. Tumulong sa pagpapanatili ng kalinisan at kagandahan ng ating paaralan at sa pagdalo ng mga regular na pagpupulong. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon at suporta. Kung hindi po sa tulong ninyo, hindi din po magiging maayos, malinis at kaakit-akit ang ating paaralan. Ngayong taon, ang nakalaang budget po ng DepEd sa ating paaralan ay 238,000 pesos. Ang 226,000 po dito ay para sa maintenance and operating expenses o MOOE at ang 11,900 pesos ay para naman sa gender and development. Every quarter po nakakatanggap ang paaralan natin ng budget na 56,523 pesos. Sa unang quarter ng taong ito, napunta ang budget sa pagpapagawa ng pathway galing sa gate papunta sa room ng grade 6. Nakabili din po tayo ng mga construction materials at pintura para sa mga dingding at bubong ng ating paaralan. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, nagmukhang bago ang ating mga silid-aralan. Na-reimburse o naibalik din po sa mga guro ang kanilang mga travel expenses na aabot sa 7,350 pesos. Sa ikalawang quarter po ng taon o para sa buwan ng Abril hanggang Hunyo, nakatanggap po ulit ng 56,523 pesos ang paaralan na siyang ginamit na pambayad sa mga trabaho sa paaralan tulad ng pagpipintura, repair ng mga nasirang printer, pag-install ng 2 panibagong standard na pintuan para sa DPWH building at isa naman sa T8 building, pagpapagawa ng mga cabinet, pagpapaayos ng sira-sirang hagdan papunta sa opisina ng school head, at pag-repair ng dilapidated na flooring sa labas ng ating reading center. Ipinapaabot po namin ang aming pasasalamat sa mga magulang na nagsiambag ng buhangin at ganoon na rin sa mga barangay officials na nag-donate ng 11 sako ng simento. Napakalaking tulong po ito para matapos ang nasabing proyekto. Maliban sa mga nabanggit na proyekto, nagamit din po ang nasabing pundo sa pagbili ng mga construction materials, school supplies, hauling of materials at saka travel expenses. Nakatanggap din po tayo ng additional MOOE na nagkakahalaga ng 6,175 pesos na ginamit sa pagpapagawa ng tarpaulin at pagpapaayos ng kisame ng Reading Center. Ang ating Gender and Development Fund na 11,900 pesos ay ginamit na pambili ng materyales para sa pagpapagawa ng bagong hand washing facility, pag-repair ng 2 luma at matagal na panahon ng hindi gumagana na hand washing stations, at pagpapalagay ng mga gripo sa comfort room sa TF building. Hindi na kailangang umigib ng ating mga minamahal na guro at mga mag-aaral sa tuwing gagamit sila ng CR. Maliban sa MOOE, nakatanggap din po ang ating paaralan ng halagang 61,200 para sa school-based feeding program. Ito ay ginamit na pambili ng mga tinapay at mga prutas para sa 60 araw para sa 51 na mag-aaral mula kinder hanggang grade 5 na kulang sa timbang. Nakatanggap din po tayo ng karagdagang 21,420 pesos na pinambili ulit ng mga tinapay at mga prutas para sa 21 araw para ulit sa 51 beneficiary ng feeding program. Ang enrollment po natin ngayong taon ay 136 na mag-aaral mula sa 122 mag-aaral nung nakaraang taon. Sa kabila ng pandemya at mga agam-agam ng ilang mga magulang, nadagdagan pa ang bilang ng mag-aaral ng 14 sa halip na bumaba. Ang ating mga guro ay dumalo sa iba't ibang mga trainings at seminars para madagdagan ang kanilang mga kaalaman at estratehiya sa pagtuturo ngayong panahon ng pandemya. Karamihan sa mga ito ay online at ang iba naman ay face-to-face. Ilan sa mga face-to-face trainings na dinaluhan ng mga guro ay ang in-service training na ginanap noong nakarang taon sa Umabay Interior Elementary School. DRM Training, Division English Literacy Instruction na ginanap sa Dimasalang Central School, District Rollout of Interim Guidelines for Assessment and Grading na ginanap sa Umabay Exterior Central School noong February 4, 2021, at in-service training na ginanap dito mismo sa ating paaralan noong March 15 hanggang 19, 2021. Sa susunod na pagbukas ng klase na inaasahang magaganap ngayong Setyembre, mas lalo pa naming pag-iibayuhin na mapaganda ang kalidad ng pagtuturo sa pamamagitan ng regular na pagmumonitor sa mga mag-aaral, lalo na yung mga nahihirapang magsulat at magbasa. Sa tulong ninyo mga mahal naming magulang, patuloy din po nating pagagandahin ang paaralan sa pamamagitan ng pagpaparepair ng mga sirang facilities, pagtatanim ng mga halaman at gulay sa paaralan, at pagpapagawa ng mga konkretong pader para hindi na mapasok ng kung sino-sino ang paaralan at para na rin maproteksyonan ang mga kagamitan at pasilidad na nasa loob nito. Sa muli, hinihingi namin sa inyo ang inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa mga proyekto at programa para sa ikauunlad ng ating paaralan. Wala pong ibang magtutulungan kundi tayo-tayo rin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at congratulations sa ating graduates at ganoon na rin sa kanilang mga magulang.
Thank you, Sir Dennis. This is where this program ends. To the graduates and completers, this is just the beginning to your success. To our proud and loving parents, please continue to guide and support your children in their journey in life. Once again, congratulations and God bless. This is your Lady of Ceremony, Miss Angeline Francisco, signing off.